Just like that. Hey guys, today we are reviewing a Ford key fob. So this will replace your really ugly key fob. It comes with directions here, a little introduction, key fob manual, goes over stuff, and this is it. So this replaces the ugly fob that you may have. This is a switchblade, so you press and the key comes out. Now for the key, you're gonna have to get this cut. Either a locksmith can cut it or your dealership will cut it. This, you have your different buttons. So let's go ahead and program this for a Ford Explorer, and then we're gonna have this cut at a later time. Alright guys, so which FOB would you like? The one to the left or the one to the right? This is the stock one, this is the aftermarket one that we're installing. So let's go ahead and program it. So for your vehicle, make sure you look up a guide for your specific vehicle. So for us, we have a 1998 Ford Explorer, so we looked up our guide. There's, you know, you can print it out. We printed ours out. So, you know, you could just search Google and you can find it, your how-to guide. So if you have a Ford Explorer, this is how you're going to want to do it. Insert the key into the ignition and keep it on the off position. So it's actually really simple, guys. You put your key in, and this is probably how it's going to be for a lot of Ford vehicles. You put your key in and then you turn it to the on, off, on, off, on, off. You do that 8 times. Now you don't have the vehicle, you know, you don't start the vehicle. You have it on the off position, so you just slide the key in and then you turn it to the on position, but you don't start the vehicle. So this is the on position. So you push it in and it's right there. That's considered the on position. The start position is if you go the whole way. Don't go the whole way. So you just do that 8 times. So you start it in here, press in, 1, 2, and you keep doing that. You go forward, back the whole way, forward, back the whole way 8 times. Do that 8 times, and then on the 8th time, you're gonna end in the on position. And then all your locks are gonna make a sound, and then within 20 seconds, press the unlock on your remote and press the lock. Now the lock might not make a sound, so if the lock button don't make a sound, don't worry, just press the unlock, press the panic, press all your stuff to test everything out. And then also do that on your stock remote as well, because if you don't, then this won't work. So again, once you, for the 8th time, you hit it there, your locks will make a sound, press the unlock button. Once you press the unlock button, then make sure you press the unlock on your stock remote, and then also any other FOBs. I mean, here, if you want to pause this video and read this, it's very simple. Pause this video, read that, but that's for Ford Explorer. And overall, now let's go ahead and take this out, show you guys how this works. Simple. Just like that. Now, the next step will be having the key cut. But overall, this works great. I'm happy with it.